Yeah. Nana, we are just
To come and see you.
come to you.
Hey, Mom. Bet you didn't expect to see us coming so soon. We're so happy to come and surprise you and spend your birthday with you. Happy birthday. We love you. We just made it here. Surprise Nana.
Ooh, ready to surprise her?
Show. Is it okay if I record?
Yes.
Beautiful ribs Pops made. Mommy made this beautiful salad for us. She didn't even know it was for us. Yummy, yummy chicken. Ooh, potato salad.
You like that? You can do it.
Mommy's cooking. Ooh, and she even made a roast. And what's this, beans? My God. Can I see? Look at that.
So cute.
Oh my goodness.
So where are we going?
Adorable. What's that from?
No.
Look at there.
Oh my gosh.
It's her birthday. Celebrate. Come on and party. Feeling real great. How old are you?
75 and loving it.
Yeah.
75 and showing it.
Ooh, no, you're not showing it 75 where?
All about it. I love my age, love me. I love everybody too.
You guys, we just made it in from Five Below and from some other stores for getting some things for Mom for her birthday party. And right now I'm getting her flowers. She has plenty of flowers, but we got her some more. And I got some ice in the vase and some water. And I'm gonna go ahead and add this in. And by the way, look at my nails, girl. They did so good on my nails, aren't they cute? So we did this, cut the flower food, basically. And then I'm gonna show y'all the flowers when I'm finished. Yay! This is what we have. She was wanting a simple cake, you guys. She didn't want anything extravagant. And so we just have a lemon cake with some happy birthday candles. We put decorations here. Picked up some more flowers because she is a flower girl. She loves flowers. We got cards and some gifts. She has her gray hair, don't care headband. Then we have the party section, which I put a clip of her dancing in there. Day. Absolutely beautiful. And look at this card I mailed her, y'all. Ooh, girl. I said, wish we were there to celebrate with you all along, knowing that we would be surprising her. she didn't know, so I kept saying, I wish we was there, I wish we were there, and we surprised her. Look at how beautiful this view is, you guys. Like, I'm moving to Florida. You guys, her birthday party came out so beautiful. We are so glad we were here to be a part of it. Hey y'all, we just dipped away. We snuck away. And we left the kids with Nana and Pops. We literally snuck out the house. Sorry the footage is so grainy, but we gonna meet y'all at Kyle's. What is it, baby?
It is Kyle G's Oyster and Wine Bar.
Girl, we gotta be grown for a second. Okay, let's go. It is day 2 in Florida and we are heading to a beach day. We're at Walmart picking up some beach necessities. We got some of this. This is Miami, some little adult beverages, some ice, Pringles, some charcuteries, some snacks for the kiddos, and then they have a restaurant there, so we'll the most beautiful shells on this beach. Look at this. Purple shells. I'm gonna make something. I'm gonna make a they have pink and purple shells on this beach. Look at this. I was hoping to put them in there. They can stand up. at home. Nana brought us some peach, y'all. It's her birthday and she's serving us. Thank you, Nana.
A Bellini to go with my bikini.
Yeah. Cheers.
Are you there?
How much it's gonna get ready to rain, you guys. I don't know. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the little bell so that you can be notified next time I do post. Until next time, stay safe and stay blessed. Peace.